Jupiter is a giant. It's a gas giant, the biggest planet in our solar system. But Jupiter has a secret hidden deep inside. It has the strongest magnetic field of all the planets. Imagine a giant force field invisible to our eyes, stretching millions of miles into space. That's Jupiter's magnetic field. This magnetic field is a cosmic powerhouse. It traps charged particles from the sun and creates intense radiation belts. These belts are so powerful they can damage spacecraft. But they also create spectacular auroras, even bigger and brighter than the ones we see on Earth. To understand Jupiter's magnetic field, let's look at Earth's. Our planet acts like a giant magnet. This is because of the Earth's core. The Earth's core is made mostly of iron. It's incredibly hot and under immense pressure. This creates a molten outer core where the iron flows and generates electric currents. These electric currents, in turn, create a magnetic field that surrounds Earth. This magnetic field acts as a shield, protecting us from harmful radiation from the sun. You can picture it as a giant bubble surrounding our planet. Without it, life on Earth as we know it wouldn't be possible. So what about Jupiter? How does it generate its super strong magnetic field? Jupiter doesn't have a solid iron core like Earth. Instead, deep within Jupiter's atmosphere, the pressure is so intense that hydrogen, the simplest and most abundant element in the universe, acts like a metal. This metallic hydrogen is what gives Jupiter its powerful magnetic field. Imagine a sea of metallic hydrogen, swirling and churning deep inside Jupiter. This sea acts like a giant dynamo, generating electric currents that are thousands of times more powerful than those on Earth. Section 4, a magnetic giant in our solar system. The result? Jupiter's magnetic field is enormous, stretching millions of miles into space. It's so big that if we could see it with our eyes, it would appear larger than the full moon in our sky, even though Jupiter is much farther away. This giant magnetic field is also incredibly strong. It's about 20,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. This makes Jupiter a magnetic giant in our solar system. Section 5. Jupiter's dangerous dance radiation belts. Jupiter's powerful magnetic field traps charged particles from the sun, creating intense radiation belts. These belts are like giant donuts of radiation surrounding Jupiter. They are much larger and more intense than Earth's radiation belts. This radiation is a big challenge for spacecraft exploring Jupiter. The Juno spacecraft, for example, is specially shielded to withstand the intense radiation it encounters during its orbits of Jupiter. Section 6. Auroras, Jupiter's light show. But Jupiter's magnetic field doesn't just create challenges, it also creates beauty. Remember the auroras we see on Earth? Jupiter has them too, and they're even more spectacular. These auroras are created when charged particles from the sun are funneled down into Jupiter's atmosphere by its magnetic field lines. These particles collide with atoms in Jupiter's atmosphere, causing them to glow. Jupiter's auroras are huge and constantly changing, putting on a dazzling light show at Jupiter's poles. Section 7. Unlocking the secrets of planetary magnetism. Jupiter's magnetic field is a fascinating and complex phenomenon. Studying it helps us understand not just Jupiter, but also how magnetic fields work on other planets, including our own. By learning more about Jupiter's magnetic field, we can gain a deeper understanding of the forces that shape our solar system and the universe beyond.